In today's video, I'm going to show you how to take a design that looks like this and turn it into a website that looks like this entirely using AI. Like, you don't need to do any of the coding. You don't need to know how to do any of this. It will produce it for you. And better still, it actually gives you the code. So there's literally the HTML for this form. Done. But how good is that? It's made everything and I didn't need to know any of that. So how do we do this? We're going to use a website called Make It Real, and we are going to draw our website. So we're going to make a website that, let's make a pretend YouTube, shall we? So let's not even do that. Let's do a big picture here. It's going to be of a boat. I don't know what it's going to be about. And then we'll have a comment box here. Let's add a bit bigger. Let's add some text here that says add comment. Let's put that over here. That's going to be a button. And then we will probably have some comments down the bottom, right? So we'll just have that and then that. Then maybe this comment's going to have a person, another person, and they're going to say, I don't know, today, great video. And then in here we might have someone that says, yesterday, terrible video. And there we go. That's probably good enough. So I just highlight everything and then click Make Real. What this will then do is it will analyze what's on the page and it will try and make something that resembles it. So if you want, you can make a couple at once, because sometimes the first one might not come out the best and you don't want to wait too long for it to happen. And other things that you can do using this app. So here we go. Here's our example website. I can actually load that, so it gives me a real link so I can load that. There we go, there's our video, there's our add comment box, there's our great video, here's our terrible video, here's a different one. Let's again load that. That looks pretty good. It's got our profile pictures. Tell you what, let's quickly look at this one, just see if this one's better. I actually quite like that. I think that's really good. What we could do though, is we could take a screenshot of this, and then from that screenshot we can come in here to actually, in fact, I'll tell you what, let's take Google. So google.com, let's say that on this page we want to adjust it. So actually we want to add a new button. So we want to add a new button here. Put this in a different color just to make it more obvious. Add a button to search for videos. Put that, and then let's maybe add another thing here that says add a star after the logo. Don't know if it's going to work very well for generating like pictures on the thing. Oops, select everything and click Make Real. We'll do a couple just because, when I'm making a video, it's easier if we just do a bunch at once. And again, here we go. We've now got Google with a star and a search videos. So just load that. There we go. Like, how good is that? And not only has it made this for us, which is obviously really cool, it's a great way to prototype a real website. But on top of that, it gives us the code. So if I was to load Notepad, that's literally the code. I mean, it's literally done an SVG of the Google logo. That's amazing. In fact, it's pulled the Wikimedia Google logo. That's so cool. That's for that one there. And again, do we like that one best? Do we like this one best? You could maybe add something that says make the background yellow or something. It's so easy for us to do as a non-developer to prototype stuff. Make the background yellow and the buttons red. As a non-developer, I've had to do absolutely no training. I've not had to wait for a designer to be free. I've not had to pay a designer to do the things for me, and I've now just got some high quality designs that I literally could adjust my specific website in real time. And some of these, so this isn't the best example, but some of these will even be responsive, so they'll stack correctly. Yeah, you can see the buttons changing size here. But if we were to do a design that was like left here and right here, and then be like profile, and then we'll have a picture here, and then might have Ash, spell my name correctly, attributes, super sexy, obviously. And then over here we might have most famous for, and then the article Fiesta YouTube channel, obviously. And then I don't know, the article Fiesta tool, fiesta.com, love it. And then if we were to make a website from that, so again, this is a very simple website, but it's so powerful, it's so smart, like it literally will know. So here, let's load this link. It's made that's two separate things, but if I shrink this window, you see it's stacked. It's responsive design. It's matched my beautiful picture here. Just move that out of the way. It's matched my beautiful picture here without me doing any, like, that's code. That's something I can use, give to my developer, or just deploy to my website. Like if I want a new homepage designed for my website, done. So easy. It's so powerful, and I can't wait for you guys to use it. But I'll put the link to this site down in the description, and I would love for you guys to check it out. I think you'll find it really, really good. It's down there. And anyway, subscribe. Catch you in the next one. Bye.